Okay, don't do my move, everybody free.
Oh, that was mom on you. Why do all my wigs look better on you?
I don't know. It's God.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Z to the I to the A to the S-I-A. Hey, it's your girl ZiAsia, and I'm back once again to slay a day. OMG guys, today we're doing a wig swap. That's right, I'm gonna be swapping wigs with my beautiful, amazing mother. If I could ever get her to find Mom! Okay, y'all, hold up. She's on her way, but while she gets ready, you know, if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, because I slay and I have a fun time doing it. And I would love for you to join me. The idea behind this video is that, I got into wigs because my mom has been wearing wigs all my life, and she just always had so many different colors, cuts, styles, so she's really been a wig inspiration for me. But we have totally different tastes in wigs, so I thought it would be fun for us to do a video where we swap wigs and try them on. So here's my mom. Come on, mom, say hi.
Hi. Hi, audience. Hello. Hello out there.
Alright, y'all, so this is how our wigs look on us. And now we're going to swap them and show you guys. This is actually ZiAsia. I don't know the name specifically, but if y'all seen my other videos, y'all know I don't really have a good history with ZiAsia. Okay. This one is definitely saucy. Okay, mama. Mama got all the colors.
Oh,
This is definitely saucy. I like the little purple friend. Yes.
Sexy on you, ZiAsia. I like that.
Okay. I like this one too.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Woo! This is definitely a way to blow. Fly you away.
I like that
Take you
one.
to the next place in life. If you want to fly, buy this wig.
That one
and
is
the part
cool
is
on you.
natural. It look like my part. Look.
Yeah, that does look super natural.
Yes.
This is the purple wig. My favorite purple wig, which I'm pretty sure you guys have seen before. And this is the red one my mom got. It's a wig from It's a Wig. And
A wild out night.
I don't like these bangs.
I
do
love
kind of like it.
Just
I like
bring out
these
your
wig
eyes so much. Yes, they do. Ooh, that really bring you out nice.
bangs. Show them yours, mom.
Oh, mine is
Show
a wild
'em
out. Mine is wild out night. This
Oh,
is a
that
wild
looks
out
cute.
night when you are by yourself and you want to relax. No drama.
That looks cute on you.
No drama. That's a whole lot of fun.
This is one of my favorite wigs. This is the Outre Marie Bob. And I'm going to be swapping this one for this wig my mom has on. So here we go. I can't wait to see what you look like with this pink on,
I
Mom.
love it. I love it. I love it.
Alright, let's go. I'm not sure. Wait, how did it... Yeah, I don't think I have this on right.
Yes,
But I don't know how it's supposed to... Like, is it the bang? Is it supposed to be like...
That's the bang
up?
right there. Then you're supposed to have your ear. Let your ear. You got a little face. You gotta let your ear show. If you got a little face, you gotta let your some part of your ear show. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There she go.
Come on, Mom. Let's show you.
Oh!
Okay.
Nobody has to know. This is a nobody has to know night. And I'll be back.
I like that one. That one's fun.
Come on, is there? Oh, I love that on you. You look so
Really?
nice. Yes,
Oh,
it's cute on you. See, I wear it, makes you look younger.
Mm-hmm.
And your short
That one
wig-
is cute. That color looks so bomb with your skin tone.
Okay, don't do my move, everybody free.
Oh, that one's bomb on you. Why
I'm
do
back,
all my
girl.
wigs look better on you?
I don't know. It's God. It's God. God is keeping me alive. This is how He do you.
Like, it does not
Girls,
look
if you
good
want
on
to
me.
stay young, pray. Pray
Tell
a
her.
lot. Keep praying because
Tell
God
her,
will
Mom.
keep you young and beautiful, okay? Wrinkle free, sexy,
Go ahead.
and alive.
That looks so cute on you.
I can't complain.
Alright, now I need you to do one more thing for... Okay, she feeling herself, y'all. So last last
I
one. That's
really
the last
like this one right here. I think I'll wear this one out tonight because this is really, I'm feeling it.
It came like that. I didn't cut it like that. You see how it's like that on one side? I don't know how
cut it.
No, I didn't do it. It came out the pack like that.
They was cutting this. They must have kept saying you were a reject or something. Probably was the last one. They said to send it to him.
Well, you can wear that to work, right?
Oh yeah, I can wear this to work, but they wouldn't know who I am. They probably wouldn't know who I am. What's going on up in here? She comes to work all sick. She ready to go to the club. Sparkles on the chest. Hey, life is short, girls. Please remember. Buy yourself balloons, buy yourself flowers, buy yourself a car. Don't wait for a man to buy you anything. Enjoy your life while you're still young and soft. Because once you get stiff and can't move, it's over.
Okay, y'all, my mom gave me a bonus wig to try on. This color is cute, yeah. Wow, all your wigs got bangs. You don't want to show your forehead? I look like Velma from Scooby-Doo. Out of the 3, which one was your favorite?
I just love the pink. The pink was
the pink one?
Yeah, it was just do on the down low. Nobody has to know night. You know, you just go and just flow with yourself. It was beautiful. And I love that on you. That brings on your face, your cheekbone, your pretty eyes, everything.
Yeah, I think this one.
Wow,
this was my favorite out of the 3. I wasn't expecting to like this one.
Wow,
I like
gorgeous
this
on you. Yes, it does.
So that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again, Mom. Mom, why you hanging out the door? Thank you again for being in my video.
Thank you, audience. Please tune back in. She is so beautiful.
If y'all want to see my mom in more videos, give me a thumbs up.
Yes. Let her know because I'm ready. I'm ready to blow up.
All right, y'all. Thank y'all. See y'all next week.